Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video I'll be unboxing this particular product which is from IKEA, and the product name is Fiestad. This you can able to see here. So the product name is Fiestad, and it is having 10 into 15 centimeter of your dimension, and this is basically a product which holds a photo frame, and you can put it anywhere that you want. It has and the main purpose of this particular product is you can change the photograph anytime that you want, and you don't need to go ahead and unplug it from your wall and then change the photograph, and you can place it on your workspace or you can place it anywhere that you want, maybe on your bedroom, or you can on your work table, or anywhere, or beside your TV unit as well. Let us go ahead and quickly unbox this and see how we can use this particular product. So let me quickly open it. It is made up of ABS plastic, and price is the MRP it shows is around 150 rupees, so around $2, but you can get it in $1.5 or $1.49 in US currencies. I got it for 99 rupees on Indian currency. It is around 100 rupees. So in 100 rupees you will get this particular item. And see, you are able to see here, you can basically squeeze this and you are able to open this particular item like this, and then you can change your photograph. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. So, and along with this you will get two glasses frames. I mean, it is not glass, but it is crystal clear IKEA plastic, you can say. I need to take out the outer covers of this particular plastic. Let me quickly do it. So I just placed it on the other front, and the image is ready to be displayed properly. Then what we need to do, we just need to squeeze it and then put the image on the frame which is provided here. We just need to put it on the one side, and the other side will be taken care automatically. I just placed it, and then we just need to close this. So I hope you are able to see. So the image is right now adjusted or fitted into this particular Fiestad. So it is Fiestad, and you can place it anywhere you want. I hope this is very beautiful, guys. I hope this is looking quite beautiful, and you are able to see this, guys. So you can definitely go ahead and opt for this whenever you are visiting IKEA store, or if you are an Indian and if you want this particular product to be shipped to your place, and you are not able to see any online delivery options in IKEA, you can definitely contact me. You can send me an email. I'll definitely try to deliver this product as well at your place. Yeah, so maybe you may need to pay something additional, maybe shipping fees or something extra, and I will get it delivered for you. So this is the product, and this is quite beautiful, guys, and you will get it in different colors as well. I'll put that on the description. You can check the IKEA store, IKEA online site, to get more detail about it. And yeah, this is the product. I hope this is helpful, guys, to giving a demo of this particular IKEA Fiestad, and you are able to get to know about the more details about the products and the quality of the product. Everything you are able to see. It is completely made up of plastic, and the back side you are able to see there are two spring over here, and you can definitely squeeze it, open it, and then fit the different images all together. So I hope this is helpful, and you are able to get the details of the product. And thanks for watching, guys, and take care. Bye bye.